Hey, I'm Fish. We got a latest update to the camera today. And of course, there's always going to be another update with the Insta360 Acepro 2. And you're going to see probably with the X5. And they taken pure video and they tweaked it, made it a little bit brighter, clearer, crisper. How does it look to you? I don't know how it looks right now, because I'm filming and walking, and the only way I could tell is watch my video back and let you know in editing what it looks like, and then tweaking it in post and then putting it again for you to see. I had to take my gloves off, hold my camera. Now, do you think they tweaked it because of the DJI Osmo Action 6? How about, are they going to be doing the same thing to the Insta360 X5 as well as the Go Ultra? I feel that those three cameras all got the same firmware, the same software in the camera, and they all do the same exact job. I never said did the same exact thing of each camera. They just do the same exact job. Film! I'm holding out for the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. And it's getting very tempting with the extra Muse. A lot of push, a lot of dropping in the price, but still not the same price. They had it before at $358.99. $374, $374.99. It's going into that price again. Well, tomorrow will probably be back at $399, $429, $449. Too much of a fluctuation. Well, I think I'm going to pull out the DJI Action 5 Pro. That's what I got with me. I didn't bring the Nano with me. And I got the microphone, which is not on. I'm just shooting in natural sounds. However, it's set up as... I won't be able to hold it perfectly still. It's not on a, you got it, a cage, a frame. And here we are. Low light situation. As we just walk, so you can see which one looks better. Now, if I look at the cameras, I can't tell by the screen. The screen's real low resolution. Let's get on going. See if I can remember to put this in at this particular spot. Not this spot, but the spot behind me that I started the video. I'm holding the camera below and above this time. And this side is street light. And this is what it looks like at the lowest light level. Before was the lowest light level. This is what street light walking looks like. Well, if you're going to be in the city, in the town, and you're going to have lights on and stores on, then you're going to have a good shot. Well, these shots are a little bit brighter for the reasons of. You got snow on the floor. Man, let's get on going, get on talking, and get to my highlight of the video. Now, I like looking at large screens. And that's where the Acepro 2's got a nice large screen, but becomes the much more taller camera because you're folding up the screen, making it double the size. I like the Action 5 Pro. It's got a nice large thumb screen, a front view screen, and it doesn't take up anything of the camera at all. I wish the Ace Pro could have did the same thing rather than flip the screen up, but there are benefits for a flip up screen, which we know, and that you could get your nice low angle and your nice high angle. And yeah, we got the Nano that does a nice job. It's got a nice wide screen. It sits like the Acepro 2 as well as the Extra Atto. Well, they are identical cameras, the Atto and Nano. And the problem is you're not getting offered the same thing in the Atto that the Nano has. And you don't get a removable lens. And today, still today, we have the overheating issue. One person told me they fixed it. Another person told me they still got it. I don't know no more. I don't have the camera, and that's what I'm waiting upon to hear from Extra, that basically maybe they're on Chinese New Year. Maybe they are still looking for the answer, but I have not heard back on my last time I talked to them, when I taken the camera and did what I had to do, send it back so they can take care of it in their way, and I could move along to the next camera, which I said early on, maybe a Pocket 4, but the Pocket 4 is like the thumb screen of the Action 5, which I like, but I don't have much use for the pocket type camera if asked. If I walk in here and it gets on the snow, if it rains on me, and if I do a review and walk around, yeah, that'd be the only time I would like to use it. But if they don't do a 360 degree, then it's a 240 degree, a 8 o'clock to a 4 o'clock. And that last two means a lot for people that want to do video when they walk around. Maybe they can make something. They do make something. They make a panoramic gimbal that you can put underneath, and base tracking and all. So then you don't need to have a Pocket 4. I started off with the Acepro 2, and I'm going to end it off with the Action 5 Pro. To me, it's a good camera. Is it the best camera in the world? Is the Acepro 2 a good camera? Is it the best camera in the world? And now we have the Action 6. Is it a good camera? Is it the best camera in the world? Do you like yours? I am not into all the types of cameras, but I'm into the action cameras. And I feel, for me, it's a good camera. I'm just not ready for it. It's not matured. That's what's going to happen with the Pocket 4. It's not going to be matured until later on down the road. And I'll make a decision down the road as well. Well, I'm walking on the bright side. And I'm probably going to just get down to the end and end this video. Meaning that, put the vlog away. I gotta go meet up with Joe, take care of Bizwax, and do some things. And yeah, talk is talk, man. Like my talk, don't like my talk, don't bother me a bit. I just want to let you know, enjoy the fun with what you got, no matter what camera. I like seeing firmware updates, and that's what the Acepro 2 is about. Updating the firmware, keeping you updated. We haven't seen an Action 5 Pro film tones update. Not sure when they can do it, but stay tuned for that. Post down below if you want to see film tones. Maybe DJI will see this and say, hey.